What it do, YouTube? You already know what time it is. Look, cuz out here lit already. You acting bad like it's the summertime.
He needs some milk.
That started. Man, anyway, man, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Deshaun back with another video, back with another banger. Man, I got something crazy to go ahead and announce to y'all and show y'all, man. As we just pulled up on my boy Welch, we got them joints outside. Cuz got the SS. Wait till y'all see what bro cooking up. Y'all already know we got, come on, man. Come on, man. Hit me, boy, Widebody joint. Hey, what up, Welch? You gonna say what up to the people, boy? They ain't seen her in a minute.
What up, y'all? Shit, I ain't got no cut or nothing. Don't worry about it. We're gonna come back something crazy.
You definitely like somebody daddy right now.
I am somebody daddy.
Oh, my mama. Real quick. Anyway, man, right now we just pulled up to my boy crib. Got them little toys as I showed y'all, man. But, man, I just got something crazy. One of y'all got y'all pocket knife on y'all? None of y'all? You got a pocket knife on you? Oh, yeah, slide real quick. Let me see it. All right. Throw a motherfucking open blade to me, you crazy as hell. I want to show y'all something real quick, man. I wasn't even going to wait all day to show y'all in the video what we got. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Hemi boy, look what I got, G. So you don't be cussing me out when I... Huh? What you... Don't say what you... But is it what you think it is? It might be. We're going to go ahead and open it up, man. I've been waiting on y'all so I can go ahead and do this little content. Hey, be cool, gang. If the hoes can sell it on OnlyFans, why can't I? It's the same thing. Huh? Hey. Hey, who? Hey, gang. If you see, if you seen the receipt for the Widebody, you'll understand how much I'm selling it for. Hey, look, I ain't had to even get nothing up. You go ahead and bust it down real quick. Huh? Hold on, let me go ahead and do the little, hold on real quick. I don't want my little address on there. I'm out to blur that out. Anyway, man, we done got the box. Got the box open, man. You already know what we got in this motherfucker. You know what we got in this motherfucker? No, don't even. You know what we got in this motherfucker? I ain't gonna lie to you. I ain't the first from the city, but go ahead. Take that off of the game. You see I got one hand. What that is? Nigga, knife? Oh, no, it's opening on this side. Don't mess it up. You break, you buy. Heady up and buy. Heady butt. Bro, let me find out you got apple juice in this cup. Widebody flare. Widebody flare. Which one would this even be, though?
That's the front.
This, you drinking Don? Oh, you a thought. Or would it be on the right side? Widebody flare right here going on the Jeep. Oh, that's that one right there. You pink? Widebody, come on, Welch. This what this go to right here? I ain't gonna lie, that's thick as hell, bro. How wide do you think that is?
Your tire gonna have to at least 2-3 inches, G. Because the regular factory one's 3 inches. That's about.
I already know what tires I'm going with. I'm going 305, 40, 20. Everybody else.
Yeah, that looks smart. That looks good.
Everybody else do the 305, 35, but they should be looking like a big gap. But at the same time, here come them people coming out the street.
Yeah, here come them folks. Get y'all shit out the street. Oh, so, it better be.
Scary ass.
I was finna go home.
No, I'm gonna go. Everybody be doing 305, 35 by 20, but we gonna go 40 because I ain't going. But at the same time, my shit is lower. But what's these? What is this from? This the outliner that go around the wheel well that you clip them into?
Yeah.
So then, this got to get bolted to the body. Oh, you can do this shit?
I seen you somebody.
We got a couple of somebody.
Oh,
they low key got some fake little 3M tape, bro. We not putting
man, that's enough to hang up a picture.
I need to get that. Bro, watch out. Why?
It's about some
1,000 right now. For someone who got it for free. Bro, don't tell us. Who got this for free?
You got the tape for free? They weren't supposed to put that shit in there.
The tape is free. That's part of the kit. That tape wasn't free. Everything in this box I done paid for. You know what? Since we here,
I ain't gonna lie.
hold on. Let's not even get into it. Can I have my whole back, bro? Can I have my whole back?
Hey.
Which one is crazy? Can I have my whole back, bro? Which one? Hit me that cuff my hoe. YouTube, my boy hit me that cuff my hoe. I ain't gonna
Not gonna lie.
It's mine. She mine.
Not gonna lie. Is this the first or the second one? This is the Manimal one? The Manimal? Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's
No.
up, man, anyway, man, my boy out here taking my home, so I had to go Widebody. He went Widebody on the Charger. Most coming soon. Cuz over here.
I'm not going Widebody though. I dare don't even go Mopar at all.
He trying to make the world go round. I was broke, it was still spinning. Hey, that means I was Spicy Bowl man on deck. Y'all in the area, I ain't gonna say too much. Spicy man Bowl on deck himself. But yeah, Widebody coming soon to the G. Got a few more things to get. I still don't even know what I'm rocking. Yeah, I just want to show y'all this real quick.
It's been a long time coming. I'm excited. I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it. On me. You. No, at first you said it was Mexican. And then, yeah.
Anyway, live from my kitchen, live from the kitchen with it. I was gonna show y'all and unbox everything while I was outside in the garage on the driveway, but I'm like, you know what? I was enjoying myself at the time, so we're gonna continue with this real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything that comes in the box. I did not order this kit from Vicrez, but it's pretty much the same kit, honestly. Completely the same things. What? Okay, go eat your food. Go sit down, go eat your food. Daddy trying to make a vlog. Thank you. So, that's one that we already established where that went. They came with these, so I'm sure these are like the liners that go around the wheel. 1, 2, that'll be 2. How much, like, what I don't know about this is, I wonder how much, actually, give me a second, because I'm using one hand. All right, I want to see what it look like, so I'm going to take it out the box. Give me a second. All right, we back. This one was like a sensor. Like a sensor goes in that one. Now, I'm not going to lie. I feel like this flare definitely looks a lot thicker than this one. Or maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. Yeah, I'm tripping. This one definitely got to be one that go down the side or the front bumper. Because that got a sensor in it. Or a sensor slot. And they got there's just a bunch of them. How many pieces is in here? That one's huge. That got to be a front bumper one. This got to be another one with a sensor slot. So I'm thinking that's that one. That got to be a front bumper. How many pieces does this kit actually come with? I'm not sure. This one's huge. And then they kind of, I'd say they packed this pretty good too. Let me grab the rest out with these. So I'm running out of room over here. I didn't know I was gonna have this many pieces, honestly, but so it looked like that so far. How many pieces? We still got some more in the box. Got a lot of 3M in here. Little pieces like this. I'm not gonna take that one out. Got another one. Chinese adhesive promoter. Another little piece. Little bitty pieces I'm not even gonna take out. I don't even wanna lose them. So these ones must go down the side of the, let me go ahead and take this off. These gotta go down to, like, cuff the side skirt or something. How would that? This bolts. I don't know. This gotta go down the side skirt or something. Underneath. Like that cuff. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's just hella adhesive and 3M in here. So we got a total of 4, that's 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, about 18 pieces. And then we got the smaller one over there, just for the wide body kit, and it all came in one box. I pretty much said they wrapped it and secured it pretty well. But what is a good price? Like, what would be a good price to pay somebody to put this entire kit together? And I don't want it to necessarily be 3M'd on or taped on. I want it damn near bolted because I want it to last. And then where you can actually unbolt it just in case you gotta, you gotta go take the bumper out, change the headlights or something like that. I want it to be accessible because I know, obviously, you see it to where once they put on the front bumper and the fender, they stuck together. But I want it to be able to come off. Also, I also want my little, to go around the front bumper as well. I want them to actually cut it to where when, like I said, I want to take the bumper and stuff off, but I want it to actually cut it as well. I want that little slit. So, man, my boy Breeze, SRT Breeze from Texas, he already done did this on his. So I want to go crazy and go ahead and get mine, but it's still up for grabs. Still up for grabs, and yeah, we're gonna figure out what it is. But this is the kit in itself, how many pieces it takes for your wide body kit, what comes in that kit. Like I said, this kit not from Vicrash, came from a different company, but I'm pretty sure they all use the same manufacturer right here. Only the fender flares. As you see, there's no bumpers. There's no bumpers. There's no side skirts. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Bro, you'll go see Bow Wow? Who going to the United Center to see Bow Wow in concert, man? They try. Who? His catalog ain't even that damn long enough to have no Chingy. Yeah. You out on me. Bro, this shit is wild. Hellcat badge, this ain't him. That's, bro, go to hell. Go to hell. Hit that bitch. That's insane work. Insane work. Got another Sally. Hey, how would you feel if I be like, gang, I'm about to go get a BBL?
What? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
You feel you Kevin Gates.
Hey, Welch, I'm about to go get a BBL, G.
No what?
A BBL.
I had to get in a Bandman cover.
Hey, that's wild hundreds. BBL. I'm trying to be like Hemi boy.
I ain't got no BBL.
Hey, what you did on the scat?
Yeah.
Hey, where you get them parts at, G?
You put a BBL on that damn scat pack.
Yeah, on my mouth, you put a BBL on there. Oh, I gotta get my badge back, man. I miss my badge. Hey, y'all tell me in the comments, what color should I wrap this? Me and my boy Hemi boy was talking about going with matching wraps, going ahead and doing that, man, and going back to back. I don't know, though. The flares gonna look crazy. I think in the daytime tomorrow, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how it look. Maybe like put up like to the car, but just from off that first little flare, bro, that is huge. That look real big. Maybe like what bro said, maybe like a 3-inch difference. I'm gonna have to look up the specs and really see what's going on, see how we really gonna do it. But well, I know how we gonna do it, but what the difference is. But yeah, I'm gonna go 305s, 40s by 20s. That's my final thing. But anyway, man, this is gonna be the end of this video. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Just a quick content video. Quick little update on the Jeep. I know last video we ordered the wide body wheels. Wide body kit came in. We got to get tires. Got to figure out who's going to install it. Obviously, we all know like the popular people, you know, but they're at a little distance. But we're going to check it out. That's a Chally. That's a Chally joint. Yeah. Look, an older joint. They be converting them too. Not too many, but they be converting them a little bit. But we're gonna wrap this up, man. Make sure y'all drop a comment, a like, share, turn on that post notification bell. It's up. Appreciate y'all.